Yo dudes, how you doing? Welcome to a very noisy Nissan Silvia S15. It's really nice to have it on the road though. G, myself, Dave, Matt and Lauren are all off to the Status Error and 621 car meet. It's about 1 hour from Driftland. We're about 10 minutes away. According to Facebook, there's like 700 people going, so it should be a pretty sick meet. It'd be really nice to meet some of you guys. Anyway, we're going to crack on with the journey and we'll see you guys down there in a bit. Good morning from Sleepy Monkey. Good morning, Mr. 621. Give him a subscribe. Right, today is day 3. It's our final day of skids, but I have got a drift day coming up on Sunday, so I can't moan. Today we're going to be doing this little competition. Jeek put a comp up on his YouTube channel about 2 weeks ago, and I think 10 people won the chance to go out for a drive with us lovelies. Supercars of London, welcome to my channel. We must stop meeting like this.
We shouldn't be going to Driftland.
Matty. Matt.
Morning.
Peace. Young lady.
Morning,
young lady. Oh, Kazim, nice to meet you, man. Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? Good to meet you, man. Nice to meet you, son.
Hi.
Famous now.
Morning.
Good to good.
Oh, hello, you. Not seen you before.
This is the lovely E36 that Paul's going to be driving. Obviously not his car and a borrowed car, but it's going to do the job for now. Over here we've got world's angriest man.
Right, yesterday I was
very angry.
I'm damaged, man. My legs are a bit.
I was on an 80, man. Literally, I was having dreams about getting electric shocks.
You were on 80, so you know how much it hurts because I put Craig's up to 85.
You fucking deserved it.
Yeah.
Alright, Ads is in the old trusty E36. Is she driving alright today?
We'll find out.
Is the exhaust on?
Just about.
That's the spirit, old boy. Something I've just spotted over here as well. This absolutely bonkers looking creation. It looks to be like two Escorts. Is it a Mark 3 and a Mark 4? Can't really tell, but yeah, two Escorts that have been literally welded together. It's got an engine in the back or the front, whichever way you call that, and an engine over there as well. Two steering wheels. Pretty crazy. Jeek has promised me we can have a little go at this at some point, so future bit of content for you lovelies. Right, how are we looking, young David?
Alright, done a
all good
level check.
We've got brand new tyres on there from yesterday. So yeah, it's just going to be a case of warming up the car, doing a few cheeky warm-up laps, and crack on. Paul Wallace, Supercars in London. He's honestly doing really well, lads. How many days seat time have you had now?
Two.
2 days.
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing though.
Just keep doing what you're doing, man. It's working. We'll get a couple of shots of him going around so you guys can see what he's all about. What's been quite nice as well was meeting Paul off camera. Obviously, it's very hard to get a proper impression of what someone's really like until you meet them in person. Here he comes. Marks out of 10 for Paul Wallace.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, he's good, isn't he, man, for such little seat time, yeah. Georgie's driving the old beast. It suits you. Where's my... without lovely people like you, so I don't want to be doing it. So thank you Right. Yeah, of course you can, man. So yeah, that is our day pretty much wrapped up. Again, another beautiful day in Scotland. We really couldn't have asked for much better weather. You can tell Jeek's a good manager because he's now cleaning up the track. Never afraid to do any task. You right there, mate? What's the car doing?
Don't miss-sell my car, that's pristine.
You guys are looking for a nice cheap banger. How much you going up for, Ads?
17.50.
That sounds extortionate to me.
He will also tighten the steering wheel up before sale.
This is a solid example of an E36 that I've fallen completely in love with again. Not to send it out
man.
the
I don't think you should send it, dude.
I don't think I'm going. I think I
part
just.
of your channel, man.
I think it needs to have send off at Essex Arena. I think that's where it belongs. But I think you can just confirm how shit this thing is, yeah. Like, and I've been driving it on its fucking limits for like the last 2.5 days.
it looks unpredictable.
It is completely unpredictable.
I'm not surprised, man. You got a wobbly fucking steering wheel.
Wobbly wheel. That's a genuine wheel and hub. That's Momo, mate.
Yeah, the bolt's not tight then.
It is tight.
We've got a really super rare sight today, a BMW with all the brake lights working.
I don't know what this is. This appeared after I crashed
That's from the bank.
It taught me to drift, and it's kind of like allowed me a fun couple of days. So, what more can you ask
That's what
for?
it's all about, bro.
And look at that fucking boot panel gap now.
Thick birds. Right, I'm going to say goodbye to everyone. Much love, David. You're going to be seeing a lot more of this lovely munchkin over the next few weeks.
There's dude.
Right, as always, I hope you guys have enjoyed this little introductory session back into drifting. I've had a really wicked time. As I've mentioned in all previous videos, make sure you guys give Driftland a cheeky little subscribe down here, and Mr. 621 and Mr. Paul Wallace Supercars London. I'll put a link to all their channels in the video description. Make sure to give the video a like, put any comments down below. I'll do my best to get back to you, and I look forward to seeing you all real soon. Sick wall ride! Oh my god!